Good afternoon. How's everyone doing? Today I'm in Durbanville, Cape Town, obviously. And yeah, I must say sorry. I took a break from social by posting things. I guess I was just tired, that's all. And I will do it later again, somewhere this week or next week. So yes, I decided to do something else, find videos like that. Just saying what I'm randomly doing, sorry. And yeah, I think it's better than posting photos or anything. So a chance is good, you never know. But enjoy your day further. Love you all very much and behave. And enjoy this weather till the rain is coming. Bye. Love you all.